Namaste. Today I will show you how LLUMO can help AI teams save cost and improve the quality of their LLM workflows. LLUMO compresses your prompts, reducing cost by up to 80% without compromising on quality. So let's dive straight into the demo. We'll use a Google Colab notebook with OpenAI as our LLM provider. First, we import the required libraries like OpenAI, requests, and JSON. We securely load our OpenAI and LLUMO API keys using environment variables. We define a simple function called compress with LLUMO. This function takes your prompt and does the following. It loads the LLUMO API key, sets API endpoint for text compression, prepares the request headers and payload, sends the request to LLUMO's API, and finally it extracts the compressed text and token count from the response. Now let's see it in action. We have created a prompt for a fictional cab driver platform called FlexCab. It has a detailed context, query, and instructions for the LLM. First, we run this prompt through OpenAI without using LLUMO. As you can see, the total tokens used are 988. Now, we will use our compress with LLUMO function to compress the same prompt and then send it to OpenAI. Okay, the results are impressive. LLUMO reduced the input tokens from 631 to 261. And when we compare the outputs, the quality is still top-notch. All essential details are intact. This demo shows how LLUMO can drastically reduce prompt size and cost while maintaining quality. It's a must-have tool for developers working with LLMs. Thank you for watching. I encourage you to try LLUMO yourself and see how it can fit in your OpenAI workflows. Visit our website www.llumo.ai for more details.